Hey guys, this is Henry here again. I came across Forsage and I did a little review on Forsage. If you check my previous videos, you will see the review I did on Forsage. Then all of a sudden, I noticed Forsage now has a new platform called ForsageTron. Like they are on the Tron blockchain. So I also did a review on that, and I don't know, I'm feeling so okay with ForsageTron, and it is going to be big. It's going to be as big as the normal Forsage, which was on the Ethereum blockchain. Now this I believe ForsageTron is really going to go far also. So now they have few people there, so I think the earlier you join, the better. Okay, I want to show you guys something. I joined yesterday. I registered yesterday. I downloaded this Tron wallet. Let me show you. And today I just decided to check, and I'm seeing some I don't really understand, but let me show you guys so you see for yourself. See, I registered under a very strong working team, and they promised that I'm going to be getting spillovers even without referring anybody. Okay, I want to show you guys right now. I presently have 187 worth 3.71 USD. Now let me show you my Tron ForsageTron dashboard. Man guys, you need to join through my referral link. Why am I saying you should join through my referral link? It's because the people I joined under are really strong. They are a very strong working team, I bet you. So I just want to show you so you will see what I'm talking about. I haven't referred anybody yet, and I haven't made any money yet, just so you know. I'm showing you this is my real account. This is not someone's account. Okay, let me show you what I saw today. Alright, now look at, I already have I don't know what it's called. I think it's a referral, and I haven't referred anybody. I don't even know how this got here. So, and you know, the first referral you get will go to your upliner. So that's why you are not seeing any amount here showing here. It's because that first one has gone to my upliner. But if I registered yesterday and I haven't referred anybody and I'm seeing this, man, it's looking promising. It's looking really promising. So I'll be dropping my referral link below. I want you to join through my referral link because the people I'm registered under are really working. They are a strong team. So just join the team and click my referral code to register. I think it is I'm new to this though. I'm new to ForsageTron. I think it's 10171. That is my referral code. So do not hesitate. Join this earlier. A lot of people testified during the normal Forsage with Ethereum. They made so much money. Now, the earlier you get into this program, the better for you. So don't waste time. What you just need is $14. $14 in Naira is it's not like 5,000 Naira. So it's quite easy and cheaper to register with ForsageTron than the normal Forsage, because the normal Forsage is now very expensive. So people are complaining. So I would advise us to register with ForsageTron. Click like this video, subscribe to my channel.